Hi, I'm Piwo, and today we'll be discussing the wireframe for the BlackRock Coffee application for the mobile phone, designed by my teammate MJ, which is based off of the canvas that was orchestrated by my other teammate Thomas. So, to begin our tour of the application's wireframe, we start simply with the login page, which will allow its users to enter credentials that perhaps they've already used before within the app, or they intend to use continuously while they use the app, or if they just, for the sake of convenience, want to keep their accounts the same throughout the apps that they use on their phone, they can simply sign in with their Google account, and our application will accept it and retain that information. After logging in, the user will be greeted with our menu screen. Notice how sleek and modernized our design aims to be, because the BlackRock Coffee Shop is a modern coffee shop for modern users, which is why this wireframe needs to match that aesthetic, needs to be sleek. What we have on our menu are 6 menu items, different coffee types. Obviously, it is a coffee shop with the prices labeled underneath, with pictures to give the users a visual representation of what they may expect beforehand. I mean, not everyone drinks coffee, and if they do, not everyone drinks multiple types of coffee. Upon making their selection, the user will be then asked to choose a payment option. Now, our app wants to be as diverse and openly usable as possible, meaning that we want to have as many payment options as we can. So this app is, at the end of the day, a mobile app, but it is not limited to only Android, as we have Apple Pay, we have Amazon Pay, we have PayPal, we have straight MasterCard details, and then we have cash on hand upon delivery or upon collection. Now, after the user has made their selection on how they choose to pay, they will then be asked to enter their payment details. Now, these details will not be saved within the application for the sake of security, but if the user opts to make this transaction as easy and as convenient as possible, they can simply use their Google Pay, enter their banking details from the Google side where it is safely secured at all times, and they do not need to constantly re-enter their payment details every time they make an order with the BlackRock Coffee app. We also have Apple Pay for iOS users, we have Amazon Pay for PC users, and just general availability because we want everyone to get coffee as conveniently as possible. After entering their payment details, the user will be asked to confirm their order. This is to ensure that there have been no fraudulent orders put in, no orders put in by mistake, or in case the user changed their mind and they want to, for example, scrap off this Frappuccino and just get these 2 Americanos. They can do that without having to go back to the menu and then re-enter their payment options before placing their order. All in all, it is a sleek, modernized, very convenient, very user-friendly application that allows its users to order coffee on the go, wherever, whenever, and it is safe, it is secure, and it has as many payment options as possible. Now, we also have little buttons on the back of the page in case, at the bottom of each page, in case a user wishes to go back, wishes to skip ahead to the next page as they've already entered the details. And then the final page has the confirm option, which will then initiate the transaction, letting the restaurant know that they need to deliver the coffee and letting the bank know that money needs to be withdrawn for the payment. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Again, my teammates are the ones who put this all together. Major thanks to MJ, major thanks to Thomas, and thank you.